Alright. Yeah. I guess I give them what they want, man. You know me, I just been laying low, man. Alright. Fuck it. I guess I've been such of a pushover. Way too forgiving. They forgot I got bars like a prison. I ain't really giving away too many chances. That's why record labels ain't giving too many advances. Feel it on the time you get a point and a half a unit. Me, if I get 5 downs, I do it. Y'all get it, man. For the game, I'm only for a profit. I get it, legislator, man. Y'all can never stop it. Cop it. Never feel what you know the figures. Every time I see it, man, everything differs. Mind over matter, G. When you see a strategy, imperative when you do it's Nico G. Immaculate, understand when I did it for it's brutal. See and understand, cause every day is living crucial. Feel it what you do it every time's an illusions. Y'all niggas didn't get it, cause y'all rap styles are confusions. I don't like to do it, man, y'all know it for the leisure. I just wanna get it time, tell you with your pleasure. Ever, nowhere, get it like Mega Evers. Intelligent, elegant niggas in times when I know of my enlightenment. Strategy move for my improvement. Jump of a lesser game, y'all niggas never losing. Why? Because you never had a chance to enter. Feeling like you know it's deep into your brother's center. Feeling like I know him, but mine is over anatomy. Writing biology, autobiography, and Nico G. Telling how they do it, man. Suckers are always flame. Try once again, it's like Puerto Falls, the rain, but it pours. Turning when I get it down for yours. I feel like the enzymes sweating through the lines. Y'all niggas, when you fit it, man, dumb, deaf, and blind. I did it. I don't have to sit back. I guess it's just my time. I ain't waiting for next. Y'all niggas are complex. Y'all did it for time tenants. Niggas are time fitters, but they don't understand for to get it your own business. I'm back to the game again. I'm all legendary when they know an icon. Slipping niggas, what you doing is like a fairy tale, living straight upon. I'm feeling like you're doing like the Anaheim Pond. Every day I'm living this, these niggas never on. Why you checking yourself? Make sure that it's exquisite. Every time I come through and you know it's just a visit. Just to give me something, but y'all give you me nothing. Niggas understand for the game, open doors and still fronting. Discover true meaning of life. What it means to ever sacrifice a night. Emotional sacrifice of cries, when it lows, when it bows, when you feel it, when you go. Foreclosure, feeling failure. When it's times in the trouble, feel my failure. Singing the times when I know it's that Rosetta Stone, let it clutch. When it's times when it's literature. Finds in the times when it's getting. Times when it feels like Armageddon. 7-day theory, feeling like Machiavelli hidden. Blasphemy, what is history? Telling the times, holy matrimony, testimony that is given, is written. Chapters in envy, understand when you live and go through for the revenue. Times when the time for the feeling is when it's in you. Must you continue? I don't know, time will tell, set it in. Times when I feel in mine, I know I'm getting. Why is water wet? Why is the sky blue? Why is the questions that we ask when we know it's true? How many times when it feels when involving you? circulating as the world turns. God was revolution for every now and then. 365s, I'm living in the things where I destroy and hate. How many times do I feel it like I have to contemplate? Personal debate, living true. Angels of hells and living what I'm telling you. Choices of things when you feeling like the voices in. Times when I'm feeling like the dead man. Sitting like the cemetery, feeling like it's gone. Anniversary, knowing that the date was never shown. But my Bible feeling like it's instrumental when I did it, man. It's feeling so denseful, suspenseful, official. I'm feeling like everything every time that I know when I miss you. It's never no grazing with crime, but I need involved tissue. Perhaps a little pat. Better yet, a mindset. Better yet, a mindset. But the concept is basis. I live every day trying to face it. Revolutionary, dictionary. Mind of a man, mentor, filling plans, blueprints, evidence. Evident that one man can make it irrelevant. Understand y'all niggas in the times when I know it's sin. Live in the world of sin, born again. Feeling like Christian, understand rejoicing. But I understand things for the times I'm still revoicing. My things expressed, my illusions true. Dreams of a state mind when you're lost when you know it's you. Detrimental, feeling difficulties. I understand but there's no possibilities. Agility's lost, non-thrown. I'm feeling, man, my throne. Sincerely yours, let it go. Settle in and let it go. Sometimes I really know when I accept. Life and really goes in hard times when I left. My life and my flesh, will it go? My spirit go times when I feel my soul. Conceal my things, feel my beings. Know my siblings, feel the means of what it seems. I know dreams, a life and true. Wishes who? Know when it games, when I aggravated. Feeling like I'm frustrated, I'm heavily sedated. I know that I'm tolerated and gone. Sometimes I know when I'm all grown. But I'm still feeling like a kid again. Cause I'm things I never seen like a cardigan. Harder than me starting and more. A testimony that I keep a 180 man who never really go through it. Pursue anything's lines when I feel with small means. That niggas live for game, I live for the big dreams. Niggas are small beans, but I see it what it seems. Niggas get torn from the asshole to the inseams. Yeah, Jitty.